APW Wright Line and North American have similar goals. Both companies focus on being their customers' single-source solution. APW Wright Line strives to serve as a single point of contact for their customers' furniture and enclosure needs. And North American Logistic focuses on being a single point of contact for all their customers' transportation and warehousing needs. APW Wright Line is the global leader in providing technical environment solutions for productive, space-effective, and reconfigurable work environments. Founded in 1934, APW Wright Line's sustaining leadership position results from innovative product development, quality manufacturing, and a company focused on delivering excellence. At APW Wright Line and North American Van Lines, customer service and satisfaction are the primary goals. We are both dedicated in providing our customers with both an excellent product and professional service. All products and deliveries reflect on APW Wright Line and North American Logistics' dedication to excellence. Customers judge us by the quality of the product, along with the skill and professionalism of the people involved in the entire process. The packing and labeling of the APW Wright Line products provide adequate protection for transportation from their plant to the point of final delivery if proper procedures are followed throughout every stage of the delivery process. We've developed this program so that you'll be aware of the special handling needs associated with the APW Wright Line products. When shortcuts are taken, the process can fail. North American Logistics has the responsibility to deliver the goods in the same exact condition as received. By following the correct procedures as outlined in this video, both companies can meet their goals and the expectations of their customers. Cabinets secured to a skid can be either moved with a forklift or pallet jack. When lowering a cabinet, be very careful in this process, as a sudden drop can cause damage to the cabinet. Special attention to the handling instructions on the article must be followed. The packing material will usually have directional arrows to assist you. It is crucial that these cabinets are never placed on their sides. Not following these instructions will likely result in damage to the product. Proper securing of the cabinet in the van will assist in the cabinet arriving undamaged. The cabinet should be secured with 2 logistic straps. The skidded articles will normally be on a larger size skid, requiring the use of longer forks. It's vital to the success of delivering these articles damage-free that only longer forks be used when lifting the skidded articles. Using smaller forklift blades can result in the blades protruding through the skid slates, resulting in major damage to the articles on the skid. The principles involved in loading this freight is similar to those employed when handling similar type commodities. The skids must never be stacked on each other. In some cases, the skidded carton products may overhang the length of the skid. In these cases, special attention must be employed to prevent damage to the product. After each article is loaded in the van, the articles must be properly secured to prevent shifting in transit, which may result in damage to the articles. Unloading of the product at our logistics center and properly staging the product is a critical step in the process of delivering the product in the exact condition as received from APW Wright Line. Again, using the correct forklift blades are required in the unloading of the skidded products. Using the shorter forklift blade will result in damage, particularly to the first product on the bottom of the skid. Extra care again needs to be taken if any of the carton products extend past the length of the skid. The cabinets can be moved by the means of a forklift as long as they're secured to the pallet. The skidded articles cannot be stacked on each other in the warehouse. The cabinets can never be stored or transported on their sides. A crucial element in performing a successful delivery is the pre-call to the delivery contact. The pre-call must be completed at least 24 hours prior to the delivery. Each item on the checkoff list needs to be discussed. The number of personnel required for delivery will vary, depending on the size of the shipment, location, and the service requested. The proper loading procedures again must be employed to ensure the product arrives in the exact condition as received from APW Wright Line. Any deviation may result in damage to the articles. If the driver or warehouse personnel is aware of any damage or shortage prior to delivery, Notification should be made immediately to the booking agent, and the delivery should not be completed until proper authorization is granted. Upon arrival at the destination, verify with the designated contact person where the articles are to be placed. If the articles will pass through narrow doorways, verify the measurements prior to attempting to move the product. In some cases, to complete the delivery, the packing material will have to be removed prior to the final point of delivery, or a cabinet may have to be moved other than in an upright position. Prior to moving a tall cabinet other than in an upright position, a telephone call needs to be completed to your dispatcher to discuss the situation. Proper protection to the floor must be placed in the area where the product will be moved to its final destination. At some delivery sites, the large flat cartons will have to be removed from their skid. One method is to individually place each carton on a four-wheel dolly with side rails in place. Another method is removing the articles from the packing material and placing them on a dolly to be transported to the final delivery location. When removing the articles, be careful with the utility knife not to scratch the articles. By cutting at least an inch away from the articles, they can be easily removed without being damaged. Be sure to remove all items from each carton, including the small bags of hardware which are marked on the packing material. The large cabinets, which are on wheels, will have a ramp provided. If the shipment consists of more than one of these cabinets, usually one ramp will only be provided. The ramp will be placed in the slot provided on the skid. Gently guide the cabinet off of the skid. Some cabinets have plexiglass doors, which will be broken if improperly handled. A tilt-back dolly should be used when moving the cabinet from the skid to its final destination. Attempting to move or maneuver a cabinet in position which is not on its own wheels and without the use of a tilt-back dolly can result in damage to the article. In some cases, additional protection is required to protect the cabinet from being damaged by the dolly. An excellent source of protection is using some of the honeycomb cardboard packing material taped to the cabinet to protect the article while being moved on the dolly. Once the shipment is delivered, an inspection should be jointly completed by both the customer and the driver. Any damage or shortage should be noted on the appropriate delivery document. If damage is discovered after the packing material has been removed and there was no damage to the packing material in relation to the damaged article, it is important this information is stated on the delivery document. The driver's responsibility includes the proper removal of the debris from the customer's location. North American Van Lines is the critical link between APW Wright Line and their customer. The key points to remember: always provide professional and courteous service. Extend forklift blades. Skids never stacked. Cabinets never placed on their sides. Proper handling and securing in every aspect of the movement of this product. When an inside delivery is requested, the proper person is contacted to identify the designated delivery location of the shipment. Absolute customer satisfaction. Wright Line and North American Logistics are both value-based and performance-driven. Wright Line customers demand the very best. With the assistance of North American Van Lines, their expectations can be met. APW Wright Line is providing their customers with a product designed to last a lifetime. Therefore, our job in delivering this product damage-free is an important link in the success of all parties. With your help and cooperation, we will get the job done.